go. We got everything hooked up. Got the Sea-Doo. All set to go. Should be a fun time. Let's get out there. All right, we're out. We made it on the water. Went pretty smoothly. By a recreation pass though, but finally get out. Skis I had running here for a few minutes. Should be all warmed up and good to go. Let's see how it goes. We got about 6 miles meeting up at a bar, so 6 miles until we're there. So it should be a nice little ride. Weather's pretty nice. It cleared up. It was rainy this morning, but beautiful today. Now a few clouds, but it should continue to clear up. Let's get back on it. It's the Cobra lifestyle. Sandwich Dave. Happy birthday, Brandon. Beautiful. I'm gonna start my YouTube day out. Good luck. Oh my God. That's terrifying. The swan. Fuck that swan, dude. All right, we're out. Get ready. He's angry back there.
Wait. I almost shit my pants. I'm not even kidding. I was so scared.
So much fun. We have arrived at the boat launch. All right. We're good to go. Tied off and ready to go.